What fall matcha drinks are popular at pop-up matcha drink stands? Popular choices include apple cinnamon matcha, pumpkin spice matcha, maple vanilla matcha, and cozy toasted sesame matcha. Fall matcha drinks usually combine earthy green tea with familiar seasonal flavors, creamy milk, and a little sweetness. Apple cinnamon matcha tastes like a crisp autumn dessert because apple syrup adds fruitiness, while cinnamon gives gentle warmth. Pumpkin spice matcha is often made with pumpkin puree or pumpkin spice syrup, but the spices should stay balanced so they do not hide the matcha. Maple vanilla matcha is smooth and easy to enjoy because maple adds a rich sweetness and vanilla softens matcha's grassy taste. Toasted sesame matcha is less common but very interesting, since sesame gives the drink a nutty flavor and a slightly roasted smell. Some stands also serve brown sugar pear matcha, chai matcha, and salted caramel matcha for customers who want stronger dessert flavors. For a stand, start with 1 matcha powder, 1 milk option, and small amounts of syrup so each drink can be mixed quickly and consistently. A useful detail many people miss is that matcha can taste bitter when mixed with boiling water, so whisk it with warm, not boiling water, before adding milk and flavoring. Taste each recipe with ice, because cold temperatures can make sweetness and bitterness feel different. A common mistake is using too much syrup, which can turn matcha into a sugary drink, so begin with a small amount and add more only after tasting it. Another mistake is adding pumpkin spice without enough creamy flavor, so pair it with vanilla, oat milk, or a small amount of sweetened cream. Some people also treat all matcha powder as the same, but lower quality powder may need stronger flavors, while smoother powder can be served with less syrup. Finally, never prepare a large batch too far ahead, because matcha settles and loses its fresh taste. Whisk small batches and shake each drink before serving. If you enjoyed the video, check out our online resources that can really help get your business started in the description below.